Okay, 5,000 bucks, perfectly done. 15,000 bucks. So hello guys and welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Michael and I'm a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today, as always, my friends, I'm going to show you how to make millions on this market, and if you want to do this, watch this video right now. Okay my friends, so today I'm going to use three indicators: Keltner Channel, MACD and CCI. So what do we have for today? As always, we're using only a short time period of just 1 minute, and we invest our whole deposit in each trade so that we can save our time and enlarge our deposit as fast as possible. Now I'm going to choose the first currency pair that we are going to trade and find the best entry point for the first trade. Just give me some seconds. So as you can see, we have reached the upper edge of the Keltner channel. Now I am expecting the pullback from it. According to the CCI, we can observe that the asset is overbought. After this, we will go down. That's why we have opened short position here, because as I told you, we have reached the upper edge of the Keltner channel and the asset is overbought according to the CCI. Now let's wait 1 minute until we get our money here, because of course I'm sure that we will get them. Fine, my friends, the first trade was profitable one. Now let's think about the next one. Use the INR currency pair. Okay, so here I'm going to open short position once again. As you can see, we are breaking through the middle line of the Keltner channel. After this, I'm expecting the continuation of the current drop. That's why in continuation of this movement, we have opened short position. So the next target is the bottom of the Keltner channel. I'm sure that price will finally hit it. Anyway, we will close our position before this, because our time period is just 1 minute. We just need to see the beginning of this drop. That will be enough for us. Okay, perfectly done. That's good. Now let's continue. Let's check USD BRL. No, Euro USD. So here we are in the flat movement. However, we're still above the middle line of the Keltner channel. That's why we will highly likely continue growing. And because of that, I am open buy position here with an investment of 1,000 bucks. And I'm sure that this trade will be profitable one. Okay, come on, let's stop doing this. Don't fall, please. I want to get my money here. Please grow. Yep. Do like that, bitch. You know what I'm loving. Don't play with me in these games. Okay, grow. Grow. Yes, show me this shit. Yep. Continue doing this right now, I told ya. Okay. Perfectly done. Let's move further. Let's open our DCAD currency pair. So here we can observe a very strong downgoing movement, I guess. So here we have opened buy position. You can see that we have a very strong upgoing movement here, and we are working according to this upgoing movement. That's why I have opened two buy position with an investment of 2,000 bucks total in continuation of this upgoing trend. So once again, we have a very strong upgoing movement, and we have opened two buy position in the continuation of this upgoing trend. Fine, perfectly done. We have around 5,000 bucks, guys. We have around $5,000 in our account. And just remember, we started with only 680 bucks, and we have already turned them into 5,000 bucks. That's so fucking awesome. By the way, my friends, while you're watching this video, don't forget to check the description, because if you want to trade like a pro just like me and participate in the same kind of trading session, you should subscribe to my private TG, and link you can find in the description of this video. Subscribe to my TG, be the part of my dream team, get access to online trading sessions and my personal trading signals. Follow them and get your money right now. Real cash, everything is for free. Okay guys, so here we have opened one more buy order. We have opened 4 buy positions according to the following recommendations. As you can see, middle line of the Keltner channel didn't allow price to go down anymore. Now I am expecting the pullback. That's why we have opened 4 buy positions with total investment of $4,000 here. Okay, perfectly done. That's good. That's good. Now let's think further. Let's check Euro USD. Okay, so we have a flat movement. However, MACD indicator is giving us signal for the short position. That's why let's try it and open the final one sell position for today. Now I'm choosing the best entry point and I guess that's it. So we're opening 7 sell positions with total investment of $7,000. I still have $1,200 left in my account. This will be our hedge deposit. All in all, we're in profit, and now we're going all in here. We have $7,000 invested here, and yep, you see MACD indicator once again is absolutely right. We have broken through the middle line of the Keltner channel. Now price is going directly towards the bottom of the Keltner channel. You see this big red candle. And yep, it's continue falling. Come on, yes, I want to see one more. Yeah, candle. Yes, guys, that's done. We have, oh shit, we have around $15,000. We turned our $700 into $15,000. That's so fucking awesome. Once again, guys, subscribe to my private TG, link in bio, link in the description. You can get access to the same kind of sessions, to my personal trading signals, my recommendations, be a part of my dream team, and earn the same amount of money each day with my help for free. Everything you need is just subscribe right now. So do this, be a millionaire together with me, and I wish you a cool, nice, and profitable day. Bye bye, my friends.